Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know what is Google Ads and what are all the things that you can do on the Google Ads to bring some more business for your website online. Google Ads is an online ads platform developed by Google that allows businesses to display ads on Google search engine result pages, on websites within the Google Display Network, and on YouTube. The ads platform is based on the pay-per-click model, where the advertisers only pay when a user clicks on their ad. So now the next thing is regarding the importance of Google. Google Ads is more important for several reasons, especially for businesses looking to promote their products or the services online. So the first thing that we need to go over is basically the reach. So on my right, you can see the first point. Google is the most important popular search engine, and Google Ads provides access to a vast audience. This platform allows businesses to reach potential customers at the moment they are actively searching for products or services. Second one is the targeting. Google Ads offers advanced targeting options such as keywords, location, demographic, interest, and more. This enables advertisers to tailor their ads to specific audience, ensuring their ads are seen by the right people. Third thing is the budget control. The advertisers have control over their ads budget, allowing them to set daily or campaign level spending limits. This means you can allocate your budget effectively and monitor your expenses. The next thing is to measure results. Google Ads provide detailed analytics and reporting tools that allows the advertisers to track their ad performance. This data help you to understand which keywords and the ads are most effective. The next thing is the immediate results. Unlike some other forms of digital marketing, Google Ads can provide immediate visibility and traffic to your website. You can launch a campaign and start seeing results in a matter of hours only. The next thing that we can go over are the ad formats. Google Ads offers a wide variety of ad formats. This includes the text ads, banner ads, video ads, and more, which can be customized to suit your marketing goals and the audience. The next thing that we can go over is flexibility. You can adjust and do the optimization for your ads in real time based on the performance data, allowing you to make quick changes to improve your campaigns. So now the next thing that we can go over is the types of Google Ads campaign. There are several types of Google Ads campaign to choose from depending on your marketing objectives. First one is the search campaigns. These ads appear at the top of Google search engine result pages. They are text-based ads that are triggered when people search for keywords that are relevant to your business. The second type of campaign is the display campaign. These ads appear on millions of people's websites across the internet. They can be text, image, or video ads and can be targeted to people based on their interests, demographics, and the online behavior. Third type of campaign that we can go over is the video campaigns. These ads appear before, during, or after videos on YouTube and the other websites in their display network. They can be skippable or the non-skippable and can be targeted to people based on their interests, demographics, and the online behavior. The next type of campaign that we can go over is the Google Shopping campaigns. These ads appear in Google search results and on the Google Shopping tab. They include a product image, title, price, and some other relevant information regarding your product. The next type of campaigns is the app campaign. These ads promote your app on many channels, including Google search, display, YouTube, and Google Play. The next type of campaign is the discovery one. These ads appear in Google feeds such as the discovery feed and the Gmail promotions tab. They are native looking image ads that are targeted to people based on their interest. The next type of campaign is the Performance Max campaign. These campaigns use Google AI to automate your targeting and bidding and ad creation across all of the Google channels. The next type of campaign is the Smart campaign. These campaigns are a simplified way of creating and manage your Google Ads campaign. They are a good option for businesses that are new to Google Ads or that don't have a lot of time to manage their campaigns. The next type of campaign is the local campaign. These campaigns are designed to promote your business to people who are searching for local businesses on Google. They can appear in Google Search, Maps and the other Google properties. The last type of campaign that we can go over in this video, that is the local services ads. These ads are a separate type of Google ads that are designed for local businesses that provide services. They appear in a special section of Google Search and the Google Maps. So now the most important question is, which type of campaign is right for you? The best campaign type for you depends on your business goals and budget. If you are looking to drive traffic to your website, then search and display campaigns are a good option. But if you are selling products online, then shopping campaigns are a must. If you want to drive your app installs, then the app installation campaigns are a good choice. And if you are looking for a simple and an automated way to run your Google Ads campaign, then Smart or the Performance Max campaign are the best option to go with. So now on my right hand side, here are some of the most important targeting options which you can control. First one is the keywords. The keywords are the words and phrases that people search for on Google and the other search engines. When you choose keywords for your PPC campaign, you are telling Google which searches you want your ads to appear on. So let's say you sell running shoes. You could target your ads to people who search for keywords like running shoes, best running shoes or buy running shoes. However, these keywords are very competitive and it will be difficult and expensive to rank for them. You may have to pay a high CPC for them. A better approach would be to target long tail keywords such as best running shoes for women, best running shoes online or best shoes for beginners. These keywords are very less competitive and you are more likely to show up for them. The next thing is regarding the demographics. You can target your ads to people based on their age, gender, location, income and some other demographic factor. Let's say you sell women's clothing. You could target your ads to people who are female and the age between 25 to 45 and those live in United States of America. This is a very specific audience and you are more likely to reach people who are interested in what you have to offer. The next thing is the interest-based targeting. You can target your ads to people based on their interest, such as their hobbies, sports and entertainment. Let's say you sell travel packages. You could target your ads to people who are interested in travel, adventure and the outdoor activities. This is a broad audience, but it's likely that these are the people who are interested in these things would also be interested in the travel packages as well. The next thing that we can do is to target the people based on their behaviors. You can target your ads to people based on their online behaviors, such as the website that they visit and the videos they watch. Let's say you sell a weight loss program. You could target your ads to people who have visited websites about the weight loss, diet and fitness. This is a good way to reach people who are already interested in losing weight and more likely to be interested in your program as well. The next thing is the custom audiences. You can create custom audiences to target people who have visited your website, interacted with your brand on social media, and signed up for your email list. Let's say you sell ebooks. You could create a custom audience of people who have visited your website and downloaded one of your ebooks. You could then target your ads to this audience with new ebooks or some other product that you think they might be interested in. So that concludes this video. So in our next video, we will go through each one of the campaign types and basically what are all the best strategies which we follow while we set up those campaigns. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.